everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, one of the things I really enjoy is thrifting for cheap clothes or clothes from the sale rack and transforming them into unique, one of a kind pieces. So, this is a piece I got from the sale rack at Walmart. It's a white mini summer dress with short sleeves and a trussel in the middle. And I wanted to transform it into something unique and special. I started by cutting off the sleeves about three-quarter inches away from the 3/4 inches away from the seam. This will ensure that the integrity of the sleeve stays in place. I've then folded it over onto the inside and done a running stitch. So I usually do about 7 or 10 running stitches and then do one back stitch just to ensure that the stitching does not get overly tight or strained and it stays in place. So thrifting and buying, nice cheap pieces is really like a treasure hunt for me, and I find it very exciting when I can find a piece and turn it from something boring into something that's eye-catching and pretty. So here I'm continuing with my running back stitch all around the sleeve. I also find that when you put your finger under the stitching like that, the way I'm doing it right here, it gives a bit of give to the thread so the thread doesn't become overly tight. So once I'm done with sewing the sleeve, making sure it's going to permanently stay in place, I start off with the embroidery, and totally love this blue. And this is a very simple, easy stitch, and it's just going to make that sleeve pop. The blue against on the background of white is very pretty. So I continue with this all around the sleeve, again making sure that the tension is not too much. Just the thread is just loose enough to make sure that the sleeve will lay flat uh, once the garment is worn. there it is, friends. I have made this piece into my very own, and I can honestly say no one will have a piece like this in their closet. So let me know what you think about thrifting and transforming clothes in such a fun way to express yourself. And if you've tried it, and if you like the content that I'm putting up, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun creations and leave a comment telling me about your best thrift store find. So keep crafting, keep creating, and see you next time.